Hey everyone! Glowing Star today, I've got an interesting experiment to share. I've been trying to lighten my work bag, and my 3-pound laptop was one of the biggest culprits. So, I decided to ditch my laptop for 2 weeks and use the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for all my work-related activities. Let's see how it went and talk about the future with the rumored Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rocket. Experiment with Galaxy Z Fold 6. Using the Galaxy Z Fold 6 instead of my laptop was an attempt to simplify my work life. With its Samsung DeX capability, I wanted to see if I could manage all my work tasks on a phone. Surprisingly, DeX worked well on a touchscreen display, transforming my phone into a productivity powerhouse. But there's room for improvement, especially with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. The potential of Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX has been around since 2017, but it hasn't seen significant updates in the past 3 years. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could be the perfect opportunity for Samsung to elevate DeX, bridging the gap between phones and computers. Enhancing DeX could make the S25 Ultra a true laptop replacement, especially with rumored new Galaxy AI features. Strengthening DeX with the S Pen. One area that needs improvement is the integration of air gestures with the S Pen. Imagine using the S Pen in DeX like a mouse cursor, performing pinch and scroll actions by flicking it in the air. This could revolutionize how we interact with our devices, much like the Apple Vision Pro. Samsung needs to make the S Pen a core component of DeX to truly enhance its functionality. Anticipating the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As we look forward to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a lot of speculation about its release date and pricing. Samsung typically launches new Galaxy S models in January or February, so we might see the S25 Ultra around that time. However, there are concerns about a potential price hike due to the expensive Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Predicted features and upgrades. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature up to 16 GB of RAM, with a minimum of 12 GB to support Galaxy AI and the generative AI functions of One UI 7. Benchmark leaks indicate significant performance improvements, even surpassing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The battery is likely to retain its 5,000 mAh capacity, with the introduction of battery AI to boost autonomy. Conclusion. Samsung can't afford to ignore the potential of DeX. Elevating this feature could set the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart from the competition. With a sleek design, powerful performance, and enhanced functionality, the S25 Ultra could be a game-changer. What do you think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and the potential upgrades to DeX? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out. Victory hand.